Aiming to subtly bring the feel of the coffee shop to your home, this creative packaging is also decorated with black foil steam that rises to entangle itself with a baroque S made of white foil. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. However much modern print technologies allow us to make colors pop, sometimes nothing stands out as much as the stark contrast between black and white. In a dazzling combination of foils and handcrafted looking letterpress labels, this is something that Design Studio Topographics and Letterpress Master Studio on Fire ably demonstrate with their creative packaging for New York City coffee roasters Sweetleaf. The roasters at Sweetleaf play, sample, and experiment with a full spectrum of flavors to create something extraordinary, which is reflected in names like Easy Rider and flavor profiles that include pineapple, creamsicle, and agave. Naturally, the coffee's packaging had to embrace this brand story and reflect its uniqueness. So, unlike other coffee packaging, the creators opted for a rectangular box with a telescopic lid, something that is more associated with lifestyle brands such as cosmetics and perfumes rather than freshly roasted coffee. Each half of the box is crafted from a 120-pound deep black Nina folding board with that finger-pleasing eggshell finish. Sweetleaf Coffee has a simple goal: to be the best espresso bar possible. And if you cannot enjoy the coffee personally in one of their 4 locations, they invite you to brew your own. Aiming to bring the feel of the coffee shop to your home, this creative packaging is also decorated with black foil steam that rises to entangle itself with a baroque S made of white foil. In a feat of utter perfectionism, the steam is imprinted on the top and bottom halves of the box, which gives the appearance of the steam growing taller as you open the box, but the true perfectionism lies in the fact that when the box is closed, the steam image fits perfectly where the 2 box halves overlap. The rest of the package is admirably restrained, with only the words measure, test, repeat on one side and a short mission statement on the other. The finishing touch, and it's a delicious one, is a white kiss-cut label letterpress printed with the basics including the coffee's name, the bean's countries of origin, varietal, and taste notes. Dazzling foils, handcrafted looking labels, an eye-catching combination indeed. Did the telescopic box design give you some creative ideas for your next packaging project? Well, let us help you along even further. We collated the most popular packaging options just for you. Download our free packaging cheat sheet right now. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel, and of course it would be amazing if you share with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.